From the very first glance, the Audi Q7 commands your attention. The bold, sculpted front grille, framed by signature LED matrix headlights, creates a presence that's both powerful and refined. Every line along its sleek, aerodynamic body flows like a work of art, while the muscular fenders and 20-inch alloy wheels hint at the performance waiting beneath the hood. The deep, lustrous paint finish reflects light like liquid metal, and the rear, with its dynamic taillights and subtle chrome accents, completes a look that's pure sophistication in motion. Step closer and open the door to a world that redefines luxury. The cabin greets you with premium leather seats that wrap around you like a tailored suit, offering both comfort and confidence. The dashboard is a masterpiece of modern design. Clean, minimal, yet futuristic. Anchored by Audi's virtual cockpit and dual touchscreens that respond with precision to every touch. The ambient lighting glows softly, setting a mood that's as refined as it is inviting. Feel the solid click of the controls, the seamless integration of the infotainment system, and the effortless command of the multi-function steering wheel. The panoramic sunroof floods the interior with natural light, while the cabin remains whisper quiet, cocooning you in a world of calm even at high speeds. Smooth, confident, and endlessly thrilling. This isn't just an SUV. It's an experience of elegance in motion, where every drive feels like a cinematic journey. The Audi Q7 doesn't just take you places, it makes every moment unforgettable.